Cambly learners, I'm Harvey and I'm one of the tutors here on Cambly. Today we'll have a quick look at the commonly confused words principle, spelt P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, and principle, spelt P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principle and principle look and sound alike, yet have different meanings. While principle ending P-A-L can be a noun or an adjective, principle ending P-L-E is only a noun. Let's take a look at principle ending P-A-L. Principle, as an adjective, means the most important, and as a noun, it refers to someone in a leading position or the executive officer of a school. So let's take a quick look at principle, spelled P-L-E. Principle, on the other hand, P-L-E, can only be a noun, referring to a fundamental truth, a code of law, or an underlying quality that motivates one's behaviour. We do, however, have an easy way for you to distinguish the correct word for each situation. Think of it like this. The principal, P-A-L, is my pal or my friend. This serves to remind you that principal may be an actual person who may or may not be your friend. Makes it easier, right? Now, principle, P-L-E, like the word rule, ends in L-E. This serves to remind you that principle and rule both end in L-E. So in short, use principle as a noun to refer to important people and as an adjective to signify someone or something important. In contrast, use the other principle, P-L-E, a noun when you mean a rule. Right then, let's have a quick look at some examples. The principal of the high school led the students in singing the national anthem. Can you tell me which word I'm using here? That's right, principal, P-A-L, as a noun, meaning the main or head person. Freedom and justice are the principles upon which our country was founded. Principle, ending P-L-E, meaning rule or basic truth. Let's take a look at another example. So the salary is good, but that is not the principal reason I accepted the job. That's right. Principal, P-A-L, as an adjective meaning the main or the primary reason. He was a man of principle and good to his word. Here I am, talking about an honest man who speaks the truth. Air pollution is a principal cause of respiratory alignments. Here we've used our word principal, P-A-L, as an adjective to mean primary or the most important. When used in context, you can begin to see that these often confused words that we've been through are easier to grasp. And I hope this little lesson has helped you out. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like myself. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere from your phone or computer. So schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, take care. Bye.